Today we will make some natural home remedies for dark spots on face. The remedy will start today with raw turmeric roots, the ingredient that we harvested from our own garden. Raw turmeric has been one of the most popular remedies since ancient times. Most people are well aware of this ingredient for dark spots removal remedy, because the main ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help our skin to be clean, clear and glowing. Its skin lightening properties help to get rid of dark spots naturally at home. Most of our spots are from pimples and acne. Now this turmeric juice will not only reduce dark black acne spots, but also prevents acne from forming. The second ingredient is almond oil, the richest natural source of vitamin E. It helps with skin repair to give you a clear healthy skin. Now adding 1 teaspoon of this pure organic oil to this remedy will help to remove those dark spots in a very natural way. So after using vitamin E, as I said, now is the time to add vitamin C organically. There is nothing better than lime juice for this purpose. It has skin bleaching properties, which alone is great homemade dark spot remover. You can use this ingredient for pigmentation, patches as well. Now you can apply it on your spots on face with the help of clean cotton or finger. Wash it with cool water when it is dry. Let's move on to the second DIY remedy. Now we will use oranges. Obviously in different way. We are always looking for the best mix for the best homemade remedy for healthy skin. And we use ourselves to see which works best on our face skin. If anything seems to be working well, we show it to you. Many of you are also looking for some facial to remove dark spots. Now what we are telling you today, you try a little. Here we are using the inner part of orange peel. We talked about the benefits of orange peel in the previous video. So I'm not saying anything more now. It is enough to tell you that it is rich in vitamin C. It helps to regenerate new skin cells, also lighten and brighten our skin complexion. Here we are taking 1 teaspoon of this peel. I'll tell you later why we took it this way. We have used oranges in many ways, today we are using them in a little different way. This time we will use vitamin E. It works very well to lighten our dark spots and helps to get rid of these blemishes gradually with time. This remedy will not give you instant result, but a routine use will definitely make your skin healthy day by day. Face spots removal is not just our need, we also need to have healthy glowing face. That is why moisturization is also necessary. For all these reasons, nothing is better than natural honey. Just add 1 teaspoon of this raw honey to get the all-in-one result by this remedy. You can keep it in the fridge and use it for a week. Take it with your finger and apply it on your spots and wash it off when it dries.